Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be talking about security in crypto. You know, when we talk about security, if you are looking for the best exchange with a very high security that will keep your funds safe and exchange you, the best exchange is OKX. OKX is the best exchange that have the highest security level, and you can keep your funds there, but not for a very long time. When it comes to security, among all the exchange, the best exchange with the highest security is OKX. So I recommend OKX for any guy who's looking for the exchange that has the best, highest security is OKX. So tumble to OKX. Thank you guys for watching.